napakagandang binibini naman ni Sharla. Kaya nagmana kagandahan niya? Kay daddy, kay mommy?
Kay daddy.
Dito ka na! Dito ka na!
Anong pangalan mo?
Sharla po.
Sharla. Umpisa pa lang Sharla. Malapit na sa Char-on.
Oh my gosh, this girl is a complete package kasi you're beautiful to look at.
Thank you po.
And yung presence mo, ang lakas on stage. At nagko-connect ka sa audience. And obvious na nag-e-enjoy ka talaga sa pagkanta. That there's joy sa delivery. That ito talaga yung pinaka-gusto mong gawin.
Marami nakakalimot na yung birit, maganda yun na para malaman namin coaches yung range ng boses rather
Kaya pa?
ng contestant. Pero
Emotional din pala paminsan-minsan si Jed Madela.
at saka yung pag-deliver. Ayoko kasi yung mula umpisa hanggang dulo sumisigaw. Nakakapagod, di ba? And you know what else before I forget? Yung presence mo. Yung kumakanta ka talaga sa audience, na give ka at may confidence ka. Doon ako tuwan-tuwa. Di ba?
What I really like now is hearing you nung nagkakwento ka. I just see may something sa mata mo which I always like on my team. Yes, it's the voice, but aside from that, it's about character as well and values. Anong dala mo sa business na to? It's not a business for me, but it's something I love to do. So I want to pass on that love to you as well, right? For what we do, for music. Hopefully you can pick Camp Kawayan. I can guide you that way, and we're gonna have a good time.
Do I have family members back there who can maybe show Sharla
Naku, ito sinasabi ko, Sharla, kaawaan mo ako. Wala akong ganyan.
We have Tim Pavino, Philip Go, and Lea Patricio. So,
hello.
It's a reunion.
You will be who you want to be. You can choose whatever heaven grants. Bakit labis kitang mahal? Yakap mo'y di ko malimutan.
Who is that girl I see staring straight back at me? When will my reflection show who I am inside? She's the voice.
May tatlong bibida.
Tapos!
That's right! Here, let's sing right there. Do the I bring the babies. All right? I bring the babies.
Nagawa yung bibe.
That's one.
Nagawa yung tatlo niyang bibe noon.
That's two.
Parang nalilimot ng tao na marunong din naman ako. Hindi lang naman sa pagkanta. Labas nga! Nasaan kayo?
Labasan ng award, ha?
Hindi naman po ako nagyayabang. Kailangan lang may pinaglalaban dito.
Wag mo pinaglololo ko, naiiyak ka, tay. Alam ko yung ganyan. Ilabas mo na, ilabas mo na. Halika na. Ay, sorry. Ilabas mo na. Tunay na lalaki, umiiyak, tay.
Napakarami ko nang natutunan at nabigyan naman ng grasya ang paghihirap ko. Sana ako napiliin mo. Ang bigat, ha?
Iyak ka pa rin, tay?
Hindi na, okay na.
Baka mawala si...
Pinapanood mo, The Voice o MMK? The Voice naman lahat.
Okay, Sharla. But
Okay,
in
Sharla.
in all seriousness, you cannot make a mistake. Whoever you pick.
Pipiliin ko po ang coach na to kasi po tingin ko po siya po yung mas makakatulong po sa aking boses po. Pipiliin ko pong coach ay si Coach. Pipiliin ko pong coach ay si Coach. Coach Sharon po.
Para na naman ako nanalo ng Best Actress! Diyos ko! Thank you! Thank you, anak! Thank you! This is your hoodie, sweetheart. At sana, alam mo, kahit sino naman sa amin pinili mo, mamahalin ka namin at tuturuan ka namin ng lahat ng kaalaman namin. Pero nagpapasalamat akong napili mo. I will do my best talaga to make you shine even brighter. Thank you, sweetheart.